Hey y'all, it's Hadassah. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below so you can join the family. If you're not new here, hey girl, happy to see you. And I waited for you to unbox this. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box. Y'all already know what this is because I put it in the title, but just a little background. This is in fact my first purchase from this company. Honestly, I was literally never interested in getting a bag from this company before until I saw this color. Y'all, color is important, okay? Color will do things to you. And this color, it did things to me. Okay. So this is what we're looking like. And we're gonna take it out. Give my cats a box to play with because cats love boxes. And this is what we're looking at. It comes in like this Ziploc bag that has the Telfar logo on it. So we're going to pull this out. All right. And then here is the dust bag. Has the Telfar logo here, not on the back. Okay. So y'all, I got a peek of the bag. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. Okay. Y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, let me put this dust bag up. Y'all, like, look at this color. Is it not giving you life? Like, is it not? Y'all, I really cannot right now. I literally, it was the color. And I'm gonna go ahead and say it. I am 100% happy with my purchase. Like I said, literally never wanted a Telfar bag before. Honestly, it never really appealed to me. And then the fact that it's vegan leather, which I really don't want to do. Like, I get it, but at the same time, I want real leather. Do you, but this bag in particular is vegan leather. So the texture of it is like really, really different than, what I'm used to. But look, this bag, not that it's an ugly bag or anything, it's just never like really spoken to me. But this color, yes, ma'am. Okay, yes, ma'am. Get into this color. And I think it's coming across pretty true on camera. Obviously, I'm in front of a ring light and everything, but I think this color is pretty, yeah, this color is accurate. So we all know what a Telfar bag looks like. So, we have the longer straps here, shorter straps, and then let's see, on the inside, it does have a snap closure. So we'll open that up and it comes with, an anti-mold chip. Never seen one of those before, but I guess because it is vegan leather, you kind of have to have that in here. I'm not sure what all the things you have to be careful of with vegan leather are, but I love that the inside is also a really pretty pink color. You have a zip pocket at the back. So we'll open that up so you can kind of see. So this is what it looks like. So this is a really, really nice size tote. So will it fit it'll fit a regular, it will definitely fit my work laptop that I'm looking at here. I'm not positive that it'll fit my MacBook. I have the bigger MacBook, the MacBook Pro 16, I think it is. I don't think that will fit in here. But if you have like any of the airs or anything, you should be good. But yeah, this bag is so, so cute. I am going to throw a couple of things in here. Okay, so just to start off with, kind of so you can see, this is like a 10-inch iPad. So that's an indication for you. So I'm going to throw that in here. I'm going to put in a phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's see, Gucci coin purse, Louis Vuitton mini pochette, a card holder. I'm pretty sure, positive that's not what that's called at all, but Louis Vuitton empreinte. Going to put in my bucket pochette and also another mini pochette. And then we are also going to do a pocket organizer and a little hand sanitizer. I'll put in this little zip pocket actually, along with my phone. I'll put those in the zip pocket. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. Hands down, gorgeous. I am absolutely in love with this. Okay, y'all, so like I said, I'm not gonna get into the brand because we all know about Telfar. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Azalea. Oh, I didn't even take out the color. The color is called Azalea, okay? Obviously from the flower, okay? So, and also a little bit about my experience getting the bag. Like I said, this was my first time, but I created an account on the website like the day before when I saw it was gonna come out. And then the next morning they came out at like 10 a.m. So I was definitely on the website at like 9:55, y'all already know. And I refreshed it and it said coming soon. I refreshed it again and I was able to like start the process. And I had decided on the medium. I was able to check out with this medium color. But then after I checked out with the medium, I was like, you know what? It would be great to have that small one as well. So let me go back and try to get the small one. So I went back and said the small one was still available. Like I said, y'all, this is literally within minutes that I'm doing all this stuff. So I put the small one in my cart. I go to check out. It told me that I was in line, y'all. And I was like, oh my gosh. I was like, I'm in line. Are they gonna let me get it? And I was in line for a long time. I feel like I was in line for like a full minute. And then finally they let me out of line, but they only let me out to tell me that it was gone and it was sold out. And so that was a bummer, but I'm still really happy because like I said, this was my absolute first time trying to get a Telfar bag and I was able to get one. And it was definitely in my #1 size choice. So super, super duper excited about that. And I think I'm gonna take some pictures later. So if y'all wanna see like mod shots of what it looks like on me, keep in mind, I am 5'9.5" and a thick girl. Okay, so keep that in mind. But I'm gonna take some pictures, probably post them over on Instagram. So make sure you're following me over on Instagram. Same name as here, HP Life and Style. All right, so that's it for me, y'all. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.